This video is about the installation of Lumenition's Magnetronic MTK003 kit, destined to replace the ignition points in a 1960s MGB. What's up everybody, it's good of you to be back. The first step in this easy upgrade is to remove the distributor cap, rotor, ignition points and condenser. That's all. You can do this without removing the distributor, which makes it a really accessible mod for the home mechanic. Once you have removed the original hardware, don't discard it. Place it in the glove box, as it may serve as a backup in case this electronic module packs up. It is electronic after all, so it either works or it doesn't. Your old points will get you home in case you get stranded. From here on, it's just a matter of installing the new hardware included in the kit, consisting of the base plate, electronic module and reluctor ring. As a matter of course, I place a dab of paint on each screw. This will let me know in the future if the screw has been tampered with or loosened itself in any way. I do this a lot, especially for warranty reasons. Once the ignition module is in place, make sure to route the wires in such a manner that they allow the rotation of the base plate without hindering its movement, nor risk being caught by the rotating shaft. Double check that all is well at this point. I suggest to crimp the ends with the included terminals before installation, as it is quite cramped in there. Next up, place the reluctor ring on the distributor shaft by orienting the stem like so, then fit the rotor arm. The last adjustment that you will ever have to make to this installation is the gap in between the ignition module and reluctor ring. It should be within the specification included in the instructions sheet. Place the distributor cap back on and that's it! You've just went from good old ignition points to an electronic ignition. For those worried about keeping things original, fear not, this installation is entirely reversible. Now is a good time to check the health of your coil, and primary resistance is within spec here. Double, triple check even the polarity of the wiring before hooking this electronic module up. If you plug it in the wrong way, you will fry it and be able to fit your old points back already. The last operation in this installation is to start the car and warm it up. Ignition advance is checked with a stroboscopic timing light and should be within specifications depending on what engine you have. Make adjustments if necessary and take it out for a spin. Enjoy this fit and forget ignition system. Done with points and condensers, but remember, keep your old ignition system parts inside the car at all times. When this electronic module fails, you will be stranded. The old points will get you home safely. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been another video from Jeffrey McAvoy. I hope you have found it useful. Please consider subscribing for more and even become a patron to become part of this production. Thank you all for watching. Catch you all later.